Hello guys, today we have here a Samsung Galaxy A5, the SM-A500, and we will make a display replacement because this display is broken again. But this time we put the adhesive tape on the display and not in the frame. At first, this is not an original repair because this is not the original display. I changed this display a month ago, so this repair is easier. I need only to go between the edges of the glass and try to damage the glue with a flexible tool. If you have the original display, you need to go under the display too because the display is glued too. If you want to save the display, you need to go under the display, but only to the half of the display from the home button, because upper there is the flex cable of the display. You need a flexible tool because the display is not flexible enough. If you try to leverage it, you will damage the display or break it. Be careful at the home button, or better say at subkeys, because you can damage the flex cable of the subkeys easily. You need to go between subkey and glass to remove the display. If we remove the display, we need to transfer two parts of the old display, the home button and the dust defender from the earpiece. But first we test the new display. We connect it with the mainboard and start the phone and call the number *#0*#, and then the Samsung test menu will open. If everything works, we can remove the cover from the back side and set the double-sided adhesive tape on the back of the glass. Pay attention that no waves are later in the adhesive tape. After that, I put some adhesive tape under the display too, but only at the edges of the display. If I need to replace the display again, so I know that I have only glued the edge of the display. The original display has this glue too, but more in the center, and there's a square, not a line. If we are ready, we can connect the flex cable with the mainboard and put the display inside the frame. Then we can press softly the display inside the frame, but take care of the corners, they are sensitive. If you press it too heavy, maybe the glass breaks. Don't forget to set the home button and the dust defender from the earpiece. So we are done, everything works, and if you have any questions, you can ask me here on YouTube in the comments, or you can send me a message on Instagram. Have fun and good luck. We see us in the next video. Goodbye.